Welcome to our Marketing Tools webinar. We're going to be going over a couple of different parts of the Business Center to help you understand how you can market and track the traffic that comes to your website. So we're going to be under the My Website section. We're going to jump down to SEO Tools. Now SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. The first thing we're going to go over is the meta information. If you've been watching our other webinars, we talk a little bit about meta. This goes along with the SEO. This is information that the search engines are looking for to help them know how you want your pages to be organized and set up in the search results. Keywords that you want to be able to have your website be pulled up with. Now, we've gone over in the other webinars how to manage the meta information on an individual page basis. This is where you can come to manage all of the meta for all of your pages. You can go through and find all of your different pages, find exactly the ones that you are looking for, whether they're pages that does not currently have information, or things that you want to change on some of your pages. We also have the option to filter for specific pages, empty meta fields, or if it's a product, category, or a page. If you want to get more specific details of what meta is, you can hover over these question marks, and it will give you a breakdown of what each of these are for and how you can set it up. If you want to make changes to any of these pages, all you need to do is put a check mark in the box, click Add Selected to Queue. It's going to tell you how many will be added, and then they are placed in the meta queue here. You can clear the queue or remove pages from the queue as well. Once you go to the queue, you're able to come in and make any changes you would like. We have keyword 2. Let's go ahead and add a keyword for each keyword or a keyword phrase. You will put a comma between them. And it does take a little bit of studying to find good keywords that will help you, that you'll be able to benefit from. Once you've entered that information in, go ahead and click the save icon, which is the floppy disk, and it will automatically be updated on the website for you. You also have the option to set the queue value, which will allow you to choose the title, keywords, or description, and then put your own information in here, and it will set for all of those different fields you have selected. With meta information, though, you want to make sure that it is original. Now, that doesn't mean you have to put completely original content in each one. You can set content and then switch out words for similar meaning words, or move your sentences around. Doing things like that help the search engine see that it's not the exact same thing over and over and over again. You also want to keep it as relevant as possible to the page as you can. If we have this page for first aid kits, and then we start talking about gardening in the meta description, the search engines know that gardening and first aid kits don't really go together, and they will start dropping you within their search results. They're super intelligent. They're able to tell the difference between things like that. If you do set the queue values, you can click Save All, and it will save data for all the ones that are in the queue, automatically applying them all to the website so you don't have to do it one by one. Next, we have the site verification. You're able to verify your websites through the different search engines, helping them know that it is a legitimate website. It's not just spam that was spit out by a program. It also helps them know that they need to pay more attention to verified websites. Now we have Google and Bing set up here by default, and if you hover over the blue question mark, it will give you 6 steps on how to verify your website with this search engine. Once you've gone through that process, it will give you an HTML file you can download. Once you've downloaded it, you will come here and click Upload. Select it from your computer and it will be added to this section where you are then able to go back and verify your website. You're also able to add other custom verifications. All you need to do is decide what else you want to verify your website with and create. Any custom ones you create, you will also have the option to delete at any time. Another positive for verifying your website with the search engines, when the search engines are indexing, they will go through and index all of the verified websites before they move on to the ones that have not yet been verified. We're going to jump over analytics for just a couple of minutes, but we're going to go to the favorite icon, also known as the favicon. This is an icon that shows up in the tab. Here we have 3 links which will take you to sites where you can build favicons for free. Once you've built it, you can download it and then upload it here in the Business Center. Or if you already had one created, you can upload it here. It will take a little bit of time, but it will display on every tab of your website. Next, we have the robots.txt. So there's pages of your website that you're not always going to want the search engines to be able to index. The robots.txt will allow you to hide specific pages from them. But first, we have the 2 on-off switches. The first one is allow search engines to crawl your site. When the site is initially built, there's a lot of default content on there that's not going to be very specific to what you're selling or what you're doing with the site. So we will have this set to no, saying we do not want search engines to crawl this website until it is ready, and the search engines will ignore it and go on indexing other pages. Once it's ready to be viewed or marketed, you want to make sure that this is switched to yes. If it is set to no, there will be a warning here at the top that says robot or search engines unable to index website, please change the robots.txt. If you click on that link, it will bring you here and just switch this to yes. Once they're indexing your website, you can come here and specify pages that you do not want them to be indexing. All you need to do is get the link to the page and place it into this box and then save it. Once you've saved it, it will be applied to the whole website. And then when the search engines will go to index, they will ignore anything that you have set up here. Once you're ready for them to start indexing the page again, go ahead and remove it from this box. And the next time they index your website, that will be on their list. Then we have the sitemap. Now our system will automatically generate 2 sitemaps. One is XML format, the other one is HTML. And you can view them by clicking on either of these links. And this is just a breakdown of all of the different pages of your website. Gives the link, gives information of when it was last worked on, different points like that. The HTML is purely links to the different pages you have on your website. Now these help the search engines index and crawl your website faster. It provides a lot of crucial information that they look for quickly. Now our system once again will automatically generate these 2, and you can specify how frequently they should be updating so that the search engines get the most up-to-date versions of your website. daily, weekly, yearly. The more your website is active, the better it is for you. If you're having it update daily, that's showing the search engines that you are working on your website. It is consistently having attention. You're not just putting it up there and leaving it for months on end. The search engines like to see frequent activity. One of the good ways to do that is by doing blogs. We're going to go over blogs in just a couple of minutes as well. If you decide that you do not want to use our sitemaps, you can upload your own custom sitemaps to the Business Center. But unlike the sitemaps we provide, you will need to upload new ones every time you make changes to your site and you want an updated sitemap available for the search engines. But all you need to do is generate them and then come here and upload them into this section. So whether you want to use them or not, you will specify here with this toggle. Then we have the blog. Now this is an internal blog that once you've created a post, they will be set onto your website. That is giving your customers another place to get more information. This also allows you opportunity to post blogs and to keep showing the search engines that this is an active website. You can come in and edit any of the blogs that have been created or delete them. Or create a new blog by clicking New Blog Post. You're able to choose text or a photo. Now with the photo, it's allowing you to incorporate a photo with that blog along with the text. But here with the text, you're able to give it a title and then a post URL. Now that's the information that will come after the .com. And I usually recommend having the title and the post URL be the same. Then you're able to choose a display type and then start setting up your blog post. You can give an excerpt and then the post, or you can do one solid post. Once you finish, you will choose a date and time for the blog post to be posted onto your website. So you could make 4 or 5 different posts at once and have them go out over the next couple of days. And then you can add any tags you would like to have along with the blog. Now once you've set up the blog information, make sure you come to the SEO section and put in the meta content for the blog post. This just helps the search engines know and index your website. Then we have the settings. Here you're able to change the title or the URL of the blog. Though if you do that, you will also need to update the link on your website for the blog. If you change either of these, the link that is there will break. And you can do that by going into the main navigation widget, deleting the blog link, and then re-adding it. That will give you the updated version so that way your customers can access it at any time. What page layout will the blog post be displaying on? And then will you allow your customers to comment on your blog posts? If you are, you will need to create a Disqus short name. If you click on this link, it will redirect you to the Disqus website. Go through the process to create it and then plug it in here. And that way your customers can comment and give you information about your blog posts. And the last thing in the blog settings is the add this. This is all the different social media icons that are available underneath blog posts or different social media pages, allowing your customers to like, share, get your blog information out to other people. All you need to do is turn that on and it will automatically set up for you. Once you make any changes here, make sure you click Save Settings. And it will be applied to the website. Now we're going to jump back here and go into the analytics. The analytics is in two different places. We have this section where you're able to connect your different analytics accounts. And you can do that by using Google or any other analytics software. With Google Analytics, once you've created the account, you can come here and this will say Connect Analytics. Once you've selected that, it will ask you to verify the account. Verify it and it will start pulling the data over. If you're using a different analytics software, just click Other. And when they give you a code to paste on all of the pages of your website, you'll just need to take it and put it into this box. Save it and it's automatically going to be applied for you by our system. Now, whether you're doing Google or other, it can take 24 to 48 hours for the analytic information to fully set up. Once it's been brought over, you can come to the Reporting tab, create different charts or boards, and then specify what analytic charts you want to be viewing whenever you access these. To create a new one, just put the name in and click Create, or if you have them created, just click View. As you scroll down, you can see the different charts we have. We're tracking the page views, visitors by state, bounce rate, or if you want to remove any, just click on the X, and they are removed from the list. But if you want to add different boards, or if you're creating them for the first time, just come here and click Add New Chart. And this is a list of all the different pages that, or ways that you can track how your customers are finding, accessing, or what it is that they're doing on your website. We have order amounts, top selling products, order status. As you scroll through, you just see the different charts we have available. It even goes into social media. Your Facebook feed, LinkedIn. And whenever you hover over one of these charts, it will give you a brief description of what it is that this chart is tracking. Once you've selected it, add to chart, it is added to this section. Another cool thing about the analytics or the reporting is this date bar here. If you come and change it, you can go back until the day that you connected your analytics account. Say I want to view the analytics from March 14th to May 20th. Apply, and it will give you the results for everyone within that time frame. That is our marketing or our analytics section, so that you are able to come here and optimize how it is that you're marketing. If you're seeing that you're getting more traffic through your social media networks, then you can focus more attention on those if you would like, or you can work on building up your other types of marketing. Try and get more traffic from different sources. So this is an advantage to you so that you can figure out what is working for you if there's areas that need improvement. Next, we're going to go over to the More and Get Social. So we've gone over how to manage your analytics, the meta information, search engine optimization standpoint. Here in the Get Social, you're able to view and manage social networks. The first place we need to go to is Settings. This is where you're able to come and authenticate your different social media networks with the Business Center. Once you've done that, you're able to post directly to your social media pages through the Business Center. If we come here to communicate, we're able to type up a message we want to send out and then choose which networks we want these messages to be sent to. We also give you the option to send now or send later. Sending later will give you a specific day and time that you want these to be posted. So you can say, I'm doing 5 now, I want one to post today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you just took care of 5 days of posts in one sitting. To make sure that you have selected the social media networks, make sure they're highlighted in blue and the icon is on the right side. And you just need to click on them to select it. Then we have these different charts down here. You're able to come here and add new columns. These columns will allow you to track live time, so whenever someone posts, you will get an updated for it. Add a new column, choose Twitter, Facebook, or scheduled, and you can search by mentions, timeline, trends, and then put it in that what you want to track. Once you put that in, it will update that information here, and you will have that feed going as well. So this is real-time tracking of different social media feeds and networks. That way you can come in here, see one that you say, okay, this person got hurt, they need a massage, reply, retweet it, give them information or different tips, help them understand different ways that you can assist them, and it doesn't have to be that you're telling them what to do. You can just give them recommendations, help them know different solutions out there. Get to know what people are looking for, and then you can start putting information for your website. If you want to learn more about social media, attend our social media marketing webinars. They will go more into detail of what to look for, how to use these things to your advantage. Then we have the Facebook page. When you connect your business Facebook page to the Business Center, you'll be able to come in here and modify things on Facebook. You can add products, change the information that's being displayed, giving your customers different views of your website through the social media networks. And you're also able to add a list of contacts into your Business Center to send them emails or notify them of different things that are happening on your website. Whether it's special deals, discounts, changes, you want to make sure that if you have your customers' contact information, help them be aware so that they can take advantage of the offers you provide. That is the Get Social. Next we have Get Traffic. Get Traffic is more for search engine optimization. If it's an actual brick and mortar store, you can do local services, which will help get your information out on a local level. Online advertising, learning the basics of advertising and how to track your campaigns. We also have more social media information available here. Or search engine optimization. This is where you can come and track different things that you are doing for your search engine optimization. Keywords that you have on your website. Are there backlinks going out? What's the page rank for that specific keyword? How is your marketing affecting your website? This area is a lot of internal tracking for things that you are doing. The next section we're going to jump to is Run Specials. This is where you're able to come and create coupons and discounts for your website. We also have a best practice area which will go over things that we recommend doing or other companies have been doing and it's working really well for them. Global Stats will give you the status of all of the different coupons or discounts that you have created, how many times they've been used, what they've been used for, different things, so you can see all of that information in one place. Or else you'll be able to view them on an individual level for discounts or coupons. Now, once you've decided if you want to build a discount or coupon, you'll go into that section and select Build. Once here, you're able to give it a specific name. "20% off new shoes." Percentage, and we want to give them 20%. When it is available and when it ends. If it's going to link to any specific page, product, or category of your website after they've applied the discount. And then the rules. Is it unlimited usage? Is there a minimum dollar amount? Are you going to limit it to a specific customer or group, specific product or category, or have it on a global level for anything? You can choose a design when you're putting the discount information on your website, share it through your social media networks, or view the stats. That's how you'll set up a discount, and coupons are very similar to set up. All you need to do is give the name, a code, and this is going to be a code that you make up to help your customers be able to use this for this specific coupon. And that way only the people you give the code to will have access to it. And just like for the discount, you'll set up that information and then rules, usage, design, share, and stats. And you're able to go in and with any coupons or discounts you've already created, edit them, view the stats, share them, or go in and make changes as you would like. Now that's how you set up coupons and discounts. The last thing I want to go over is a global shipping discount. Here under e-commerce checkout process, we have the global shipping discounts available. Add a shipping discount and you're able to give it a name. And this is going to be on any order placed on your website within the parameters that we specify here. So you can say free shipping for orders over $200. The shipping price will put 0. The minimum dollar amount we will put 200. Is there going to be infinite uses or is there a specific number? A start date and an end date and then an on-off option. So you can give your customers discounts on their shipping. Help them have more reason to come and purchase from your website. This is everything we have for our Marketing Tools webinar today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're here to assist you to help you understand how your website works or answer any questions or issues you may be having. We also have a live chat feature available for you. Feel free to chat in with us at any time during our business hours. We also have under More, the University, which is filled with tutorial videos. Anytime you are in your business center, you can come and watch them as frequently as you would like. And once again, that's everything we have for today. Thank you for your attendance. And if you want to learn more about the Business Center, feel free to come to our different webinars at website webinartraining.com.